Hello everyone, this is Eric.
And Christy Lynn.
We are from Property Stars Utah Key Real Estate. We wanted to put out a quick video with information about the 2022 housing forecast. So we're just going to talk about four main things. First of all, we're going to talk about what happened in 2021 and some numbers. It was an unprecedented year.
For sure.
Second of all, we're going to talk about, is Utah slowing down or prices slowing down? And third, we're going to talk about, a lot of people keep asking us, are we in a housing bubble? The last thing is most important. What's going to happen in 2022?
What is going to happen? Well,
We'll
let's find out. So what happened in 2021? Well, Utah is going to be long remembered for having the record-breaking historic price increases. Let's take a look at this graph really quick. You can see in 2020, 81% of the homes were selling below $500,000 mark. But then in 2021, that reduced to only 62% selling below $500,000. And as you can see, that mark from $500,000 to $1 million increased from 17% to 34% and $1 million plus from 2 to 4%. Both those upper markets doubling in the percentage of the market share. Oh my gosh, we had a 28% price increase from 2020 to 2021. Unprecedented.
All right, so let's talk about the four main reasons why we've seen an unprecedented 2021 28% price increase. Number one, there was pent-up demand from the pandemic. There were people that were waiting to buy, they just didn't get the chance because we were hunkered down, and so those buyers went back into the market along with other people that were in the market at that time, and it kind of just opened the floodgates. Number two, there is low inventory in Utah. New construction is behind. They can't seem to keep up with demand. There are waiting lists for people that are looking to build. Along with the new construction, homeowners have selling reluctance due to the fear of not finding their next place. That causes and plays into that low inventory. Number three, we've had historically low interest rates over the past couple of years. It's been as low as 2%. A lot of people are trying to take advantage of those interest rates. Number four, Utah has been found out. This is a great state to live in. People love that they can go mountain biking, they can go skiing, and they can go golfing. There's just so much to do. It's such a beautiful state, it has so much to offer. We have been found out, and from the year 2010 to the year 2020, we have seen an 18.4% population increase. So wow, Utah is one of the fastest growing states in the US.
So is this massive increase that we've been experiencing ever going to slow down? Well, to tell you the truth, there is no sign of a slowdown in the near future. For the past 10 months, prices have consistently increased at least 20% over the year before. When we look at December was 28% more than it was in the prior year. So far in 2022, already we're starting off just as fast-paced as we were last spring and summer. We're talking about super low days on market, multiple offers, builders are putting buyers on waiting lists. So buyers are also hurrying to put in their offers to get their winning bid. Is Utah in a housing bubble? Well, what do you think? Well, the short answer is no, we are not. So from the housing bubble that we experienced 2005 to 2008 before the housing crash, there were a few things that were in play to cause that. Number one, and most importantly, loosened banking practices. We had things like subprime loans, stated income loans, and very reckless lending practices that really caused a risky financial market where we were dangerously leveraged. So these conditions are not present currently. Also, builder supply. Supply is way up back then and demand was low. And when supply is up and demand is low, values go down. Every housing decline has always been associated with a weakened labor market. In order for us to have extended price declines, we must have substantial job loss. And for Utah to experience that type of a housing bubble in the near term would require job loss, and that is unlikely.
Okay, Christy Lynn, so what is the housing forecast for 2022?
Great question. It looks like we're going to have around 17,000 units pieces of land, property, or houses sold again this year. It was very similar to that last year and for the past 10 years. Although mortgage rates are expected to rise this year, it will be moderate. If you take the projections from 7 different housing companies, you will see that the average lands around 3.55%.
So are we likely to see another increase in home values? Yes, we are. We're expecting probably 10 to 12%, maybe a little bit more than that. We'll see what happens, but yes, there will be an increase.
That's right. And finally, existing homeowners, again, will benefit from strong price increases as buyers hustle to secure a contract from their winning bid. Okay, so there you heard it. We had a 28% price increase last year.
Yes, we did.
Are prices expected to slow down?
No, they're actually going to go up again, unfortunately.
They are. It won't climb quite as fast, but they're not slowing down. And are we in a housing bubble?
We are not.
No, we sure aren't. And the next thing is, how much are we going to go up this year?
10 to 12% at least.
That's right. So if you're looking to buy, sell, build, or invest, give us a call. We'll take care of you, won't we?
Absolutely.
Okay, thanks so much.
Bye-bye.